Most homeowners want top dollar for their property, but they don't always have the time, money, or resources to make that happen. At HomeEdge Inc., we help sellers maximize their profit without paying anything upfront. Our mission is simple: help homeowners unlock more equity through smart renovation before they sell. Our vision is to transform how homes are sold, one renovation at a time. Most homeowners want top dollar for their property, but they don't always have the cash or time to fix it up first. At HomeEdge Inc., we help them sell smarter, faster, and for more, without paying more upfront. We've redefined the real estate experience through our exclusive Platinum Edge model. Our bundled services includes AI-powered home value analysis, strategic renovations funded upfront, licensed general contractor oversight, home staging and design coordination, high-conversion digital marketing campaigns, professional real estate representation from start to close. Here's a real example. We evaluated a home worth $800,000 in as-is condition. We invested $120,000, and after renovations it sold for $1.05 million. The resale gain was $88,000. The net enhanced profit was $130,000, and we split that 50-50. If you're ready to see what your home could really sell for, let's talk. Schedule your free walkthrough today and discover how we can help you sell smarter, faster, and for more.